Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to manage ambulance requests in the hospital management system, logging a request, dispatching a vehicle, and recording how it was completed so every call-out stays properly tracked. Let's get started. From the sidebar, click the search menu at the top and type Hospital to filter your modules. Then click Hospital Management to open the drop-down. Next, click Ambulance Services to view ambulance-related options and requests. Then open the Requests section to see your list of ambulance service requests. Click here to open the request form and begin logging a new ambulance request. On the form that opens, start by choosing the patient the ambulance is being called for. Then select an available ambulance from the drop-down. The list shows you what's free, so you can dispatch the right vehicle without delay. Now enter the pickup location, where the patient is collected, and the destination, where they're being taken. Clear addresses here keep your crew moving and cut response time. Click the Request Date and Time field and pick the date and time the request comes in. Then add the expected duration of the trip. Enter the price for the ambulance request here. Set the request's priority. For example, urgent, so your team can see at a glance which calls need an immediate response. Next, choose the dispatch type: emergency, urgent, or routine, and set the dispatch time for when the ambulance heads out. This is the moment the response officially begins. Once the trip is done, set the completion time to log when the ambulance request was fulfilled. Capturing dispatch and completion times gives you accurate response data for every call. In the patient condition field, note the patient's status during transport. Useful context for the team receiving them. Then use the Notes field to document the journey, like where the patient was taken and why. A quick record here keeps your transport log complete. Once everything looks right, click Create to save the ambulance request with all the details you've entered. And that's a wrap on ambulance requests. You've just learned how to log a request, assign an ambulance, set the pickup and destination, and record the dispatch, completion, and transport details. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your hospital management system.